Police 4, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, just be advised, we're getting struck by a laser, green laser, constant at my location.
Police 4, roger. Police, and normally we, will report it to you. Do we need to do that?
We still got visual, Police 4. We have our units coming up on them here in a few seconds. I'll let you know if we make an apprehension.
Roger, thank you. Police 4, your current location's fine, but I'm going to have traffic depart runway 4 straight out. Just remain east of 4.
Okay, Police 4 off the east.
November 82, Quebec Delta, runway 4, clear for takeoff, wind 310 at 7. There's a helicopter maneuvering just east of the field, and be advised, laser illumination event in effect, right where that police helicopter's at, green laser. November 82, Quebec Delta, change to my frequency, 127.1.
27.1, 82 Quebec Delta. 82 Quebec Delta is with you, 27.1.
92 Quebec Delta, San Antonio departure, radar contact, say altitude leaving.
Passing through 3.1 for 5,000.
92 Quebec Delta, roger, climb, maintain 13,000, clear direct Yoda.
13,000 direct Yoda, 82 Quebec Delta.
Tower, Police 4.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Our units made an apprehension on this laser strike. It lasted about maybe 30 seconds, continuous beam. Do you need a case number for us?
Yeah, if you have it, I'll take it.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Give me a bit, and I'll give it to you here in a sec.
That's wonderful, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Tower, Police 4.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be complete if I can return this distance. And when we get back, I'll give you a call for that case number. They haven't pulled it yet.
Police 4, not a problem. Thank you. You can proceed on course.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.